Hello everyone, in this chapter you will learn how to use PowerPoint's window feature. This is the default window that appears when you launch the PowerPoint application. Let's take a look at some of the most important aspects of this window. One request before we begin this lesson. Please watch this video until the end without forwarding or skipping in order to fully understand the course and subsequent videos. Let's start with File tab. This File tab brings up the Backstage view where you can manage your PowerPoint files and settings. You can save presentations, open previously saved ones, and create new ones from scratch or from predefined templates. You can also perform other file-related operations from this view. Next one is Slide area. This is where you create and edit the slide itself. You can add, edit, and delete text, images, shapes, and multimedia in this section. Let us have a look at Help. The Help icon can be used at any time to get PowerPoint help. When you click the question mark button, the PowerPoint help window appears, where you can browse through a list of common topics. You can also use the top search bar to look for specific topics. Next one is Slide tab. This section is available only in the normal view. It displays all the slides in sequence. You can add, delete, and reorder slides from this section. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar can be found directly beneath the ribbon. This toolbar organizes the most frequently used PowerPoint commands in a convenient location. This toolbar can be tailored to meet your specific needs. Slide Views. By pressing the 4 button to the left of the zoom control near the bottom of the screen, you can switch between PowerPoint's views. Zoom option. To get a better look at your text, use the zoom control. The zoom control consists of a slider that can be slid left or right to zoom in or out. The mark in the middle indicates that the PowerPoint supports a maximum zoom of 400%. PowerPoint includes a plethora of tools to assist you in creating a presentation. Those tools are logically organized into various ribbons in PowerPoint. Let us have a look at ribbon commands. Home, clipboard functions, manipulating slides, font, paragraph settings, drawing objects, and editing functions. Insert button will allow you to insert tables, pictures, image, shapes, charts, special text, multimedia, and symbols. And the Design tab, Slide Setup, Slide Orientation, Presentation Themes, and Background. Transition tab will allow you to command related to slide transitions. Animation tab, commands related to animation within the individual slides. Slideshow, commands related to slideshow setup and previews. Review will allow you to proofing content, language selection, comments, and comparing presentations. View will allow you to commands related to presentation views, master slides, color settings, and window arrangements. Thanks for watching, and we hope you understood the basics of Microsoft PowerPoint. Please click on subscribe and bell button for getting the latest videos. Thank you.